Welcome to Wales.
Today we decided to get up early and make our way to the Brecon Beacons waterfalls. Of course, we cannot just skip the whole trip there, as Wales has such an amazing landscape to offer. We managed to see some sheep. Just in case that you don't know, Wales has plenty of them.
We knew we were real close to our destination, as we could hear the river and feel the temperature drop.
For the record, we didn't throw that there. There is a space for cars. There is a space here. And there is nothing, absolutely nothing, that it says you can't park here. So we are parking.
This is where we were supposed to park. However, between March and September it was closed, and unfortunately for us, we went during September. We decided taking Chico with us, but in the end we realised it really wasn't the best idea. The currents of the river were a bit rough and we had to keep him on the lead for the entire hike.
I'll say this is a perfect destination to listen to the nature. My advice is, if you are planning to go to the waterfalls, do it as early as you can so you have the whole track to yourself. Also, try to go when it's not raining, as the path gets quickly muddy.
It's worth mentioning that the waterfalls are numbered, so try not to skip any as they are incredibly beautiful.
In our trip, we found some berries.
And don't forget those delicious looking mushrooms, even though you're not supposed to eat them.
Hikes like this are the ones that make you find beauty in every corner.
And after quite a while walking, we finally found a nice little spot by the riverbed to enjoy our sandwiches and soak up the good views. Whilst I'm sitting down, I'd like to take this chance to say if you're enjoying our content, please feel free to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
After visiting all the waterfalls, we came back to the main entrance. There you can find some picnic benches where you can relax after a long walk. So yeah, we are here and we park around here. Then we went down the road and then all the trails, but around here there's another parking, but it's really far. What do you think about it?
Cool and delicious.
The trip was totally worth it. But to be honest, at the end I was really tired and I had to take advantage of Tommy and Chico. That's collateral damages from going with Chico to a trip.
Carrying Chico. Let's bounce.
Because it's time to go. And of course, we couldn't live without asking our friends the way back home. What way to Cardiff, ladies?
Any answers?
Nobody?
No one?
She knows. She knows. She knows. You know, don't
Not
you?
me. I don't know nothing.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you once more for joining us in this adventure, and as always, if you want to check out all the content, you can see it in our other social media.